was a sight for my soul.
I need to get out of this place. Like, for real. Okay, so I'm going to start off with priming my face with, I don't know, I've used this a few times. It's the True Match Lumi Primer. Yes, okay, focus. And it's in the shade Golden Dior, I don't know, whatever. If you like a glowy look underneath your foundation, then I definitely suggest this. It's like not like too overkill, but you can definitely see some shine. Like when the light hits your face and stuff like that. So I either use this or like my Mary Kay primer that I have left over. Or I like the, it's something, I forget what it is. I think it's by Benefit. And then for my foundation, this has like been my absolute favorite foundation, like recently, I guess. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm in the shade Cream Beige. And I literally think this was like $5 maybe. I really enjoy it. And it has this like little spatula thing to put it on with and all that good stuff. But I don't know, I feel like it's a lot better than like a lot of high-end foundations that I've tried recently. And it's kind of crazy, you know? And it like hasn't made my face break out at all or anything, which is like what kind of happens when I use drugstore foundations and stuff. But this has been pretty great. So yeah, I haven't filmed in a while. I'm really mad because my last video I actually filmed like 2 days ago or something, and I got a new camera, like an actual camera, and a microphone and all that stuff to film. And when I like went to use the microphone and stuff, because I'd never used it before, and like I got done filming whatever, and it was like a good video, like I was happy with it. And then I went to like edit it on iMovie or whatever, and there's no sound. So I figured out that what the hell? I figured out that I had plugged in the microphone wrong. Like I plugged in where like, cause it has like a function, you can plug in headphones to like listen to what your voice sounds like, I guess, when you're recording. And that's where I plugged in like my camera connection, so like it literally didn't record any audio. So I was pretty upset about that, and I swear to God, if this one does it too, well then, filming's canceled. Because I'll be really annoyed. Yeah, I don't really want to go like too in depth with like my makeup routine today. This is kind of just like a get ready with me video, and I'm going to be talking about like my study abroad stuff because like it's getting freaking real, guys. Like when I was planning all of it, it seemed like it wasn't real. Like it just seemed like a great idea, and like I don't know, it just seemed like a fantasy almost. And now like I literally paid my tuition in full for the trip, and I booked my flight and everything like that, and I literally leave in like a month, and that like is terrifying to me. But you know, I think it'll definitely be good for me. I don't know, I just feel like anyone would be nervous, like that's a pretty normal thing. And it also sucks because like I literally don't know anyone at all going into this. Like I don't even know if I have a roommate. I don't even know, like they won't tell me that stuff until it's like 2 weeks before my trip. And oh yeah, I just set my foundation with the Makeup Forever powder in the shade 205. But yeah, I won't know literally anything until basically I get there. Like I had to sign up for classes and everything, and basically I'm not guaranteed to get the classes. Like that was my first pick. So I have either like 4 classes that are like a possibility. So that's like stressing me out, and plus like I don't know if I have a roommate or anything, and I've never had like a roommate in my life, so that should be interesting. I don't know, man. It's just freaking stressing me out. Like, it's real AF. I'm like excited, but like I feel like I'm more nervous at this point than excited, just because I don't know what to expect at all. Like, I feel like that would drive anyone insane though. And also, I'm freaking nervous about packing. Like, how am I supposed to fit 2 months worth of like fashionable cute clothes in one giant suitcase? Like, that just stresses me out. I don't know how people do it, because, you know, I'm probably going to shop there too, which, like, I need to keep that in mind so I have room when I, like, bring it back and stuff. By the way, this is the KKW Beauty Concealer, and, like, it blends freaking flawlessly, so, and I'm in the shade 5, and I feel special because that's the shade Kim uses. She uses, like, 5 and 7. If anyone watching this, like, by chance has any tips on what to pack or like how to pack, because like I need to look cute. Like, this is gonna be like prime time for photos, and like I don't know, like it just needs to be good. I can't pack like ugly clothes and stuff. It's hard to explain. I don't know. As you can see, I'm pretty stressed out about it. But you know, and like also I have not been away from my family for more than like 2 weeks before. Everything's basically freaking me out at this point. And then I'm worried about like getting kidnapped and stuff like that. So, you know, it's things we have to worry about today in this awful world. But I don't know, I definitely think like overall it'll be good for me, because I need to get out of this place. Like, for real. And I'm almost out of setting powder, so like I got the new Kat Von D, well, it's not new, but I got that setting powder, and I heard it's like drying, so I'm kind of nervous to use that. And also I don't want to do like one of my under eyes with Laura Mercier setting powder and the other one with Kat Von D, because that would just look stupid probably. God. Yeah, so, oh, and I changed my major at Ohio State. I used to be a business major. I hated it. I had to take accounting this semester, and I would rather put a fork in my eyeballs than take accounting ever again. I just hated it literally that much. Like, I swear it was that bad. Well, for me it was, because it's just like not my thing. But yeah, I mean, some people are good at it. I don't know, I'm not. I switched it to fashion, finally. I felt like really good about it, and I wasn't really like scared anymore about being able to find a job or something dumb like that. Well, I mean, not dumb, but yeah, you know, I just finally grew a pair and switched. So, there's that. I'm using the Butter Bronzer. It's by Physicians Formula, and I swear it smells like freaking amazing. I think it smells like coconuts. No one really gets how, like, until they do it, they don't understand how much work it takes to film. And it's like crazy, because editing takes longest. Like, it's not even about sitting down in front of a camera. It's just about like editing. And editing's a pain in the ass. I hate editing, because like I can never, like, I'm still like in the process of trying to figure out like a good what's it called, intro and stuff like that. And like I don't want to buy Final Cut Pro for $300, so I'm trying to like make whatever I have work right now, just because like I really can't afford that right now. And plus, like, going abroad is super expensive, and the last thing I want to spend my money on right now is a freaking video editing software. You know? But I feel like if my channel grows and stuff like that, I'll definitely invest in it, because the amount of like cool things you can do with that editing software is crazy. And yeah, I would love to have it, but it's just not ideal right now unless someone wants to buy it for me, so I don't see that happening. I'm freaking sweating. I just got this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Focus. Okay, yeah. It's freaking great. So I'm gonna go in with this Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. I've had this forever. It just has like blush in it and stuff. So I'm gonna take my Real Technique brush and I'm dipping into like this center one. I swear to God, if my camera dies, I'll freak out. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. I went ahead and apply my brows. They're thick as fuck today, but it's fine. And I put on my mascara and eyeliner just because my camera's literally about to die, so yeah. But I wanted to show you guys, I just got this Morphe and Bretman Rock collab, and they made a highlighter palette, the Babe in Paradise, and it's really freaking cute. Yeah, so, and it came with this little fan brush too, so I'm just going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this one. Okay, and I also wanted to show you guys the KKW Beauty. I know a lot of people have talked about how they like the brightening powder. And it's like really freaking cute. And I wanted to show you guys, I also got this little set of brushes at Ulta. It's by BH Cosmetics. And it came with 10 brushes for $24. So I thought it was a good deal. It's the number 4 brush. And it's like a flat synthetic brush. So I'm just going to tap into this. And I don't know, it just like, I love this product. It just works so well, and like, I don't even know how, but it just does. So anyways. I almost fell. Okay, that's fine. We're fine, everything's fine. It's been so long since I filmed, and I just wanted to get something out there. I hope with school being out, I'll be able to film more. Oh, and then, oh, I forgot gloss. The Fenty Beauty gloss is like literally my favorite right now. You only need like a little bit. But yeah, this is like my go-to like everyday look. Very simple, all that good stuff. But anyways, yeah, please subscribe to my channel before leaving. And yeah, if you have any tips or anything like that about studying abroad and what to pack, please comment down below. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Now that was a sight from miles, so I